Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring some fantastic DIY flooring ideas you can easily tackle right at home. Let's get started. First up, we have vinyl plank flooring. It's durable, affordable, and super easy to install. Just peel, stick, and voila, you've got a stylish new floor. How about laminate flooring? It mimics the look of hardwood but is much easier to install. Just snap the planks together and enjoy your beautiful new floor. Wrench. Get 5% off by using the code GARY5%. Take advantage of a generous 5% discount on orders over $1,000 when you use the code GARY5% at checkout. This exclusive offer is too good to pass up. Come join us on this exciting journey through Genixflooring. Let's explore and express ourselves with Genixflooring. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. For more flooring inspiration, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay connected.